land of dreams.
Take the trip with us
on Radio SI.
Meu nome é Pérola Regina, eu venho do Brasil, da cidade de Campinas. Nasci numa pequena cidade chamada Pereira Barreto. I'm a clownessa. I'm a clown. Clown, yes.
I've never met a clown before. This is my first
Nice
time.
to meet you. My name is Pérola Regina. I'm coming from Brazil, the city Campinas.
So what do people say when you tell them that you're a clown?
They laugh on me, or they real, but for work. Kaj si po poklicu? I'm clownessa, I'm a clown. Yes.
So you can live off that as well, is it?
In Brazil, yes. Like in Brazil, it's a really strong culture. We are it's really strong. The
Clown culture.
yes. We joke that if we shake a tree in my town in Campinas, we'll find out some clowns. Because it's really a lot. I work in Rudetchinovsk.
The red clowns?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. We go every week, Torek in Maribor, in the hospital, UKC, in the pediatric unit. Ljubljana we have Torek, Sreda in Četrtek. Also we go in Celje. And also we have monthly programs. This is in Jesenice, Soča, Trbovlje, Ptuj, Novo Mesto, Šentpeter. I hope that I'm not forgetting some, but it's a lot. And then we are now 16 clowns. Sometimes we have a really big teenagers in the hospital, and then this is a joke that we use ego spot. Tukaj je samo za otrok. And then we try to take the bed and put in the corridor, but for sure we cannot move the bed. And then we start a joke. When we see that this isn't a problem, that we can shake the bed actually or do something this.
So you go to hospitals and you shake the bed of patients?
Yes, we do this.
Oh, that's what you guys do.
Yes.
And everybody is supposed to laugh.
And they laugh, actually. Clown, basically, he existed in the relation with the other clown or in the relation with the audience. Yes. And the most important is this relation with the audience. Without this, we don't exist. We can be an entertainer or a comedy, but not a clown. Clown exists in this relation, what's happened among us. Regarding music, I'm still living in Brazil. We have a lot of good musicians and good music there. So we grew up listening Brazilian music. And when I moved to here, I brought my books and my CDs. It's some clothes. And my son.
Quando o cavaco centrava e a cuíca soluçava, eu entrava de baixaria e a chimangada sambava, bebia, saculejava, dia e noite e dia. No barracão, quando a gente batucava, essa cuíca amarvada chorava como ela só, pois ela gostava demais do meu ritmo e bem baixinho gemia assim como quem tem algum dodói. Tudo aquilo era pra mim, gemia e me olhava assim como quem diz alô, my boy. E eu, como bom violão, carregava no bordão, caprichava o sol maior. Mas um dia o patrão, que horror, foi o
listening to Land of Dreams. This week with Perla Regina, a Brazilian living in Slovenia.
penteado se casou.
I was born in a little city, Pereira Barreto.
Does that place have a river?
Yes, a big one called Chiete. It's an Indian name that means a lot of fish.
So is that river something like the river behind us?
Like Drava, he's bigger than this. Here is. In the beginning was like this, but now
Wait, which one is bigger?
My river.
And which river is yours?
Yes, both actually, because Drava is more my river now. I live by Drava, so I can see this river every day.
Are you into fishing?
From here, no, I don't dare.
And how long have you lived here?
4 years now, completed 4 years that I'm living here. And
You have a family?
yes, I have, and everything started with this. I was in Brazil doing my job. I'm a clonesa, and I met my future husband there. He went to study. Yes, I used to say that he went there to meet me.
And then he brought you back here.
Yes, we lived there for 6 years. We wasn't thinking about security. This wasn't a question for us. And then when our son was born, we started to think about it.
Security.
Yes,
Like how safe it is outside on the streets.
yes, not only outside of the streets, but for me the worst part was that if somebody came into my house, that it's a big possibility in Campinas and actually in every big town in Brazil. So I'm scaring everybody that want to go to see Copa football now. Be scared, be scared. In Brazil, it's more easy for you to start a conversation with a person that you never saw in your life. We're just talking about everything, and here you don't start conversation like that.
And how have you adapted here?
Now, yes, I can say this because I pretty good understand Slovenian. I can talk and I have a job. My kids are happy, so this is pretty important for me. This makes me comfortable. When I arrived in Brazil was Carnival in February, really hot, and I arrived here winter, nobody in the street, I didn't understand nothing. Hvala, was the only word that I understood that time. For 1 year I was thinking every day that I would like to come back to Brazil. But now I'm completely into Slovenian way of life. It helps to be sure what you want to do. Don't expect that it will be everything all right and everything will be in the way that you think that will be. Research a lot about the country, a lot, and also learn the language. This is pretty important.
Srce veliko kakor svet.
And your plans for the future?
I'm planning to do a school for clowns here in Slovenia. This is my plan.
To establish a school?
Yes, for clowns here in Slovenia, and that this is my plan.
Does a school exist for clowns?
No. This is not that I don't know.
It's a good idea then.
Yes.
Ne išči sreče, kjer je ni.
And to do a festival for women clowns. To open more this field here in Slovenia, that clowns will be more well known.
Lahko ti podarim samo ljubezen.
So I wish you good luck with all your projects in the future, Perla.
Thank you a lot. Nice to meet you too. Thank you for everything. Goodbye. And in Portuguese, até logo. Até logo.
And continue making people happy.
Thank you.
Vem, da isto čutiš tudi ti.
Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us every Wednesday at 11:20 a.m. and every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Only
On Radio SI.